In a forest where dragons breathed fire, one little dragon had a sparkle of his own, but could his glitter save the day? Deep in the enchanted forest, young Ember felt different. While his friends breathed roaring flames, he sneezed puff, glitter. Useless, they teased, but one night a thick darkness swallowed the trees. Fire couldn't pierce it. Then achoo, Ember's sneeze lit the air like tiny stars. "Follow the glitter," cried the animals. His shimmering trail led everyone to safety. "Your sparkle is magic," said the elder dragon. Ember beamed. He wasn't broken, just brilliantly unique. What makes you shine bright? Share your special talent in the comments.